When it comes to creating high-quality blog posts using AI, the question of which tool, Writesonic or Scalenut, produces better results is on many people's minds. In this video, we'll break down both tools and give you a side-by-side comparison, so you can decide which one is truly worth your time. Let's start with the first thing you notice, ease of use. Writesonic is designed to be user-friendly, with a clean interface that makes it easy for beginners to jump right in. It has a variety of templates that can quickly get you started, whether you're working on blog posts, ads, or social media content. However, its interface can feel a bit cluttered, with too many options for some users. You can get the results you want, but there might be a bit of trial and error along the way. On the other hand, Scalenut's interface is more streamlined, making it a bit easier to focus on your content without distractions. Its AI-powered writing assistant works well for creating long-form blog posts, but it's not perfect. While it does have a range of templates, it lacks the versatility that Writesonic offers. This might be a deal breaker if you need a tool that handles more than just blog posts. Next thing, content quality. Writesonic's AI does a pretty good job of generating readable blog posts. The content is clear, but you might find yourself tweaking the text a lot to make it sound more natural. It's not perfect, and sometimes the tone can feel a bit robotic. Scalenut, however, shines here in terms of content flow and depth. It creates more cohesive, long-form content with smoother transitions between paragraphs. That said, it can still produce awkward phrasing from time to time. So, while both tools produce decent content, there's a noticeable difference in how polished the final product feels. Moving on to SEO capabilities. Writesonic has built-in features for SEO optimization, offering keyword suggestions and tips for improving your content's ranking. It's a handy tool for those looking to write content that performs well in search engines. Scalenut, however, has a more in-depth SEO approach. Its content research tool helps you understand what competitors are ranking for and suggests keywords you might have missed. This can save you time in the content creation process, but it might feel a bit overwhelming for users new to SEO. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Writesonic offers a more flexible pricing model, with plans ranging from a pay-per-use option to a subscription that gives you access to a wider range of features. It's a good option for those on a budget or who just need a few blog posts here and there. Scalenut, however, comes with a higher price tag, especially if you want to take advantage of its full suite of features. But if you're looking for a tool that's built for scaling your content marketing efforts, it might be worth the investment. Finally, customer support is always a crucial aspect to think about when choosing an AI tool. Writesonic provides decent support with a responsive team that's available to help. However, users have reported longer wait times for more complex issues. Scalenut, on the other hand, offers more personalized support and has a solid knowledge base to help you troubleshoot issues on your own. But like with any tool, you may still encounter hiccups that slow you down. So, in conclusion, both Writesonic and Scalenut are good options for creating blog posts with AI, but they each come with their own strengths and weaknesses. If you're just getting started and need a tool that's simple and quick, Writesonic might be the way to go. But if you're looking for more advanced features and a better overall content creation experience, Scalenut could be the better fit. That said, after trying both of these tools myself, if you want an even better alternative for producing high-quality blog posts with AI, I'd recommend checking out the first link in the description for a free trial. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits and the best trial deal available, so you can experience a more powerful tool that might just outperform both Writesonic and Scalenut. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your content creation.